What, you know, was
This
it
is,
your mind?
this is again
What
a-
was in your mind, the question?
Yeah, this is again the contemporary kind of the visual things I am trying to experiment, and I saw a lot of people like our master Imran Qureshi, and I am really inspired by the work of a German artist Anselm Kiefer. So I'm experimenting a lot with the size because I've done miniature. So I'm trying to go for the miniature scale, and then I'm getting fed up with the miniature scale. I go longer and bigger and bigger. And this experimentation, everybody can accept and relate with the things and with the images because it's a reflection of current time period. I use the Sufi music while I'm doing the paintings.
Okay, that shows the colors. The colors of Indus, or our, what would I say? It shows a bit of that kind of civilization colors, or that kind of
मुझे ये
colors.
लगता है कि आपने कहा कि of course you agree, all of us are, you know, aware of the chaos around us, और वो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है, but still your color scheme, उसमें मुझे hope भी नजर आती है because it's not all dark and dingy. So that's my interpretation of your work at a glance.
ये डिफरेंट टाइम पीरियड्स पे डिफरेंट आप सिचुएशन से गुजरते हैं एज एन आर्टिस्ट एज ए क्रिएटर आपको like I cannot absorb the thing easily, and then I go through with the different situations, and I apply in the painting, and people can relate and react towards my work as well. So like that's why I got acceptance. This work is travel a lot in 3 different cities in Ireland, and now it came here. So it's an honor for me to bring my work here.
And where are you taking it? Like, you know, what are your further plans? What are your further plans?
बस इंशाल्लाह काम जारी रहेगा. जो कुछ भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपनी आवाज़ उठा सकूं, कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन दे सकूं, मैं वॉल पे जाके लड़ नहीं सकती, पर अंदर से बहुत ज़्यादा मैं स्ट्रेस में आ जाती हूँ. मेरे अपने भी बच्चे हैं, जब मैं माँओं को देखती हूँ डेड बॉडी उठाए हुए बच्चों की, तो मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती. And this is the visual vocabulary I developed within 15 years. You can see the details of miniature, you can see the experimental work of, like I have an influence with the Irish landscape as well, so it's a mixture of the work.
Okay. So if you are a little bit inspired, who you want to name that was apart from Palestine? Who was your inspiration in terms of any artist? You would say, yeah, I feel close to him regards to my painting.
With the modern work, I really feel honored कि शाकिर अली म्यूजियम में मेरा काम लगा है और सर शाकिर के साथ मेरा काम रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है, because I really like his work and everything, and it's a remarkable work, and I really like the size-wise. I really relate with the, like from our country, South Ken, but from the German side of, like I really like Anselm Kiefer because his sizes is very huge, like double and triple than mine. I visited the museum and I really inspired by that, and I really want to do experiment more.
Yeah,
And I get a lot of commissions from Facebook and I'm involved in different projects, so I really try to
So
experiment.
Savannah, you're returning back again. That would be lovely. Next year with a new work, or you know, in a few years, or what are your plans?
Inshallah.
Inshallah, that's okay, definitely. Okay, everyone.